Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our fun and educational channel. Today, we're going to be exploring a fun exercise that teaches kids numbers and counting using object counts. Let's kick things off with the first number, 1. You need one item to represent this number. A simple pen, a single apple, or even a solitary star can stand for the number 1. Moving on to 2, you'll need 2 items to represent this number. This could be 2 apples, 2 pencils, or even a pair of shoes. For 3, you'll need 3 items to represent this number. This could be 3 candies, 3 crayons, or even 3 cars. Finally, we reach the last single-digit number, 4. To represent this number, you'll need 4 items. These could be for toys, for erasers, or even for pieces of candy. Now that we've covered the first 10 numbers using object counts for kids to learn numbers and counting, let's go through them again. 1 is represented by 1 item like a pen or an apple. 2 is represented by 2 items like 2 apples or pencils. 3 is represented by 3 items like 3 candies or crayons. 4 is represented by 4 items like 4 toys or erasers. 5 is represented by 5 items like 5 toys or crayons. 6 is represented by 6 items like 6 candies or pencils. 7 is represented by 7 items like 7 erasers or markers. 8 is represented by 8 items like 8 pencils or erasers. 9 is represented by 9 items like 9 toys or apples. And finally, 10 is represented by 10 items like 10 candies or crayons. Remember, folks, learning should always be fun and interactive. Thanks for joining us today on our adventure in learning numbers and counting using object counts. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting educational content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.